we will guide you through how to highlight drawing in Nitro PDF. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your computer desktop, then double-click to launch Nitro shortcut. Give it a moment while Nitro PDF finishes loading the main window interface. Once the application has fully opened, click on Open, select Computer, and then press Browse to locate the PDF document that contains the drawing you want to highlight. A File Explorer window will appear, allowing you to browse through your folders until you find the correct PDF file. Select your desired document from the File Explorer window and press Open to load it into Nitro PDF. After the document opens successfully, direct your eyes to the ribbon toolbar displayed across the top of the application window. Click on the Review tab located on the top main menu navigation bar to display the available annotation tools. Next, press the Shapes button to open its available options. A drop-down menu containing different shapes will appear on your screen. Select the shape that best suits the area you want to highlight. Move your cursor to the location in the document where you want to place the shape, then click and drag to draw it until it covers the desired portion of the page. Once the shape has been created, click on it to select it, then press the Properties option located on the top ribbon. Inside the available settings, choose the Fill Color and Border Color, setting both to yellow for this example. After selecting the colors, adjust the opacity setting to 50% so the content beneath the shape remains visible while still being highlighted. Look back at your document screen to see the visual difference as your drawing is now highlighted cleanly. Finally, press Ctrl+S on your keyboard to save the document and keep all of the highlighting changes in your PDF file.